my name is Kenneth Keegan. We're living here in Capicartina, Loughrea, County Galway, southeast Galway. We're on a small holding here of 40 acres. Our principal enterprise is suckler cows. The likes of grading cattle, dosing, I found really beneficial to me because obviously I don't have the hands-on experience, not coming from a traditional farming background. Upon doing the course, we noticed that our paddock size was quite large for our stocking rate. So we planned on decreasing our paddock size, and obviously as well as that, some of our paddocks, there's ingress of a lot of docks and stuff like that, so we intend on reseeding. Into the future, we plan on maybe looking at getting into a different enterprise such as sheep, for a number of reasons. Obviously myself and my wife work full-time, and we want to try and get out of a labour-intensive enterprise, and by doing that we thought that maybe sheep might be better to combine with maybe something like agroforestry, where we can kind of have the best of both worlds, which would be increased biodiversity in the farm and still have the work lifestyle that you want.